Hi guys, Tanika here. I am a WordPress developer and I mainly focused on e-learning websites, especially with Memberium. But I also have used like Access Ally, LearnDash, BuddyBoss, and so on. Maybe I should create a better intro video about that. But for now, I'm just gonna create this video so that I could quickly show you the basic things with Memberium and how it works. Now, in this channel, I am planning to do like live sessions so that I could answer questions live, and also so that I could save time in editing because I don't have that much time in editing. So maybe I'm gonna prefer live. So let me know what you think in the comment box, if you prefer live or this kind of like recorded and edited video. But what's great about live is you could ask questions and I could answer those right away. I'm also gonna look for common questions that I found in Facebook and gonna cover those in this channel. I'm gonna answer those in this channel. So basically that's gonna be my content here. I've been doing or building membership sites for a while. I think at least 6 years, 6 or 7, and then I'm in like I have 11 years of experience in the industry in terms of building websites, but it was not all just WordPress. Like there's a lot, but again, I'm gonna share more of those in my future videos. But for this one, we're just gonna go over with Memberium. Now, if you are interested in this topic like WordPress e-learning sites, I suggest you subscribe to this channel so that I could keep you posted on the future videos. So let's get started, okay? As much as possible, I wanna again save time or prevent any editing. So if there's some delay in my action, feel free to kind of speed up the play of this video or kind of skip. Okay, so after years of building like membership site, there's still clients who ask me like what is Memberium and how that could help in their business. So first of all, you could check out memberium.com. So that's this is their website actually, this one. And then they have this get started button, this one, and you could sign up to that and they will give you some insight of what Memberium is about and how it exactly works with Keap. They also have this live demo button, this one, that also like helps. That's Memberium. It's a WordPress plugin that is integrated to your Keap account and of course to your WordPress site. Now I'm gonna quickly give you an example how it exactly works. But again, if you're interested in this topic, you could visit my channel and you could subscribe and check out my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm just gonna make myself smaller so that we could focus on this topic. Feel free to sign up to this get started, like this one, get started button. It's gonna give you the full details really, but in this video I just wanna quickly show you how it works. Now we will have local WordPress installed, and that's the one that I'm gonna show you. So if you haven't installed like a local WordPress yet, you could try local WP. I have a video about this to show you how you could install and set up your local WordPress environment. So go check that out if you think you need it. But I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use this local WordPress site. So let me just open that up here. So open site. Okay, so now we are logged in, and I'm gonna quickly show you Memberium. So Memberium is, again, it is a plugin. You will get your zip file that you could install after you get a license. But you could also like contact support because they offer like a free trial for the first 25 user. So you could contact the support so that you could try the plugin without purchasing it yet. So you could do that. But example here, once you install Memberium in here, that's how it's gonna look. And then what you need to do is connect that to your Keap account. Now, it's either Keap or ActiveCampaign. They only have two integration right now. I'm not sure in the future if they're gonna have more, but right now that's what's available. And as you can see, I am connected to my application. Now, in here, the Infusionsoft key, that's the one that you will get if you go to your account, settings, API, and then this key. So that is your key. Okay, and you're gonna paste that in here. Then this is your address one, which is the name of your account basically. So it's this one, current app, that number or that random number. Okay, now after installing that, you could now set up some protection. So what's great about Memberium is they are like flexible. I mean, it's a plug-in for protecting your content, and you could have members on it, and then your members are your contact list in Keap or Infusionsoft. But what's great about Memberium is because they haven't set any like specific requirements, you could be like flexible here. So you could set up membership levels for like, if you have 3 levels like basic, intermediate, and then advanced, those kinds of level. You could also have like company levels depending on how this works. You could also have like specific like program levels. So if you have program 1, and then program 2, and so on. So again, it's very flexible. Again, check out their demonstration because it really go over in details how exactly Memberium works. So I suggest you do that. This is just a very basic one that I have in here. So as you can see, I have level 1 and I have level 2. And then if we go to our tags here, so I have some test account, and as you can see, I have some level 1, and that's the tags that I set up. Now, if you edit this, you can see that we have 4 tags. So one for the membership tag, or I'm just gonna call it membership level. Okay, membership level. And then we have some PF, we have some cancellation, we have some suspension. And then if you need to create a new one, you don't need to go to your Keap account. You could just set your name in here. I mean, name of the membership level, and then you could set like a category, and then you could check this so that it will include those 3 additional tags, which are the PF, suspension, and cancellation tag, and then hit the create button. So an example here is I'm gonna create a level 3, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign that to this category, membership, members 1 tag. And then again, the category, it really depends on you. Doesn't matter, it's for organizing your data. And then I check this, and then I hit the create button. It's gonna load, and then after that, it's gonna show me that I now have level 3. Okay, and there's so much more settings in here, but again, check out Memberium because they have some demos, they have some tutorials that will explain this in detail. I mean, I could go over in those tutorials in this channel if you need me to. Like if you need help, you can just comment down, and then I'm gonna try my best to help you and explain any specific scenario that you think you're stuck or you need help with. But the website itself is very detailed enough, so if it's just available right away, or I mean if it's a very basic problem, I'm sure it's in their documentation, so check that out. Now if you check out the pricing, because they have some pricing here, because this is also one of the common questions that I get. So the pricing is $57 per month for one domain, and if you wanna use it for like 10 domains, so let's just say you have 10 membership sites because you have a lot of programs and you have a lot of mentors. That's just an example scenario, but you could get this. But do note that this one is only connected to one Keap account, so even if you have 10 websites, it will only work for one Keap account. So you could do that because you could easily organize things. You could create a new tags and custom field inside your Keap account, so I'm sure it's still gonna work. But if like you wanna work on this for more than one Keap account, so you need to get the advanced level, and that's $187 per month. Now most of the time what my client get is either this or this, okay? And I'm sure they have some, I think they have some annual pricing before. Can't see it here, but let's just try get started. Let's see if they offer annual. Okay, so they have this button here, so switch to annual so that you could save $114. So again, that's their pricing. Now they also have this umbrella thing. So umbrella, it's called before labeled as umbrella functionality, but it's more on like group. So you could like have like a parent users, and then you could have child users under that parent. Again, I'm sure it's in the documentation, but maybe I could create a video to show you more about that, but again, just let me know. So basically that is Memberium. Now again, the purpose of this video is just to show you how it works. So again, let's just do a recap, because I always get asked about this. So again, Memberium, it is a WordPress plugin, and you need a WordPress for it. It doesn't work with any other sites, and it needs either a Keap integration or ActiveCampaign integration. Next is, it is not a payment processing app. So your payment processor is always, I mean, it's still gonna be Keap or other third-party apps that you use. Like example, if you use ClickBank, Spiffy, Samcart, those kinds of stuff, because you could integrate those in Keap, so it still works, but it doesn't integrate with Memberium. So Memberium really has nothing to do with your payment processing. Now Memberium can show your members payment information from their end. So example, they could change their credit card, change or update. You could allow them to remove it, and then they could also see their history of payments and so on, subscription. So Memberium has that functionality. Another questions that I get is so the pricing. I think I already covered the pricing. So again, there's Keap and ActiveCampaign price. So example, if we go to, so let me just make myself small again. So if we go to ActiveCampaign Memberium, they have here. And then you could check out the ActiveCampaign pricing, and it's a bit lower than Keap, but yeah. Now, if you're gonna ask me why it is lower with Keap compared to Keap, I think it's because, I'm not sure, but based on my experience, Keap has more advanced like functionality than ActiveCampaign at this moment. But maybe in the future they will have kind of the same level with Keap. But for now, Keap is more like advanced and generating reports, those kinds of stuff. So I'm not sure if that created an impact in terms of their pricing. I'm not sure if it's more difficult to deal with Keap than ActiveCampaign. But example, in Keap, again, you could have your members manage their payment, but in ActiveCampaign, since ActiveCampaign by default right now does not handle any payments, they use kind of third-party app. So Memberium does not have the functionality to allow members in ActiveCampaign accounts to manage their payments. Manage their like credit cards, update those payment information. So that's one of the thing that I noticed. So Keap with Memberium, your members can manage their payment and stuff. And then ActiveCampaign with Keap, right now I don't see any functionality for that. But again, this may change in the future. Maybe they're working on it. ActiveCampaign keeps on improving their stuff. So I don't think it's gonna be that huge impact. But if you think it's very important that you allow your members to manage your payments and stuff, then I suggest you just go directly with Keap, but again, depending on your setup still. So if you have any question with that, you could again comment that down below, and I'm gonna do my best to help you answer your concerns and questions. So I think that's it, right? Again, if you have questions, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I could keep you posted on stuff. Again, I'm gonna continue recording this kind of videos because I am like what I enjoy is building like e-learning websites. Right now it is WordPress with Memberium, ActiveCampaign as well. Memberium, Keap, and then ActiveCampaign. But I also tried like Access Ally, and I'm gonna create more videos about those as well. But maybe I'm also gonna share some stuff like Module, Kajabi, Teachable, ThinkPic, because I also tried setting those accounts. So yep, I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.